So I guess this is it. I don't know how to start. I feel like it's finally time to do a big retrospective autobiographical comic book. A final look back at all the cartoons I've done and what was going on in my life at the time. Coffeehouse 5, Kiss, Krishnamurti, Prairie Rose, Wilbur. I think I'll call it Surreality, a comic strip retrospect. Chapter 1, My Humble Beginnings. Okay, so anyway, I drew my first real comic strips in the 5th grade. I liked this little red-haired girl, so I gave her a stapled collection of cartoons I had drawn. She received my gift very graciously, but my little artistic offering failed to win her affections. That was the first of many such failed attempts to woo women with cartoons. I was a shameless plagiarist. Wilbur, my main character, was sort of a cross between that kid in High and Lois and Shaggy from Scooby-Doo. There was Bugsy the sidekick. Shortly after this, I think I may have been in the 6th grade, my brother brought home a Kiss record and everything changed. I became totally obsessed with drawing these guys. Throughout my teens, I continued drawing pictures of Kiss as well as a number of other rock stars and superheroes. These ones were done while listening to Kiss records. I started puberty the very next day. It's true. Of course, I couldn't draw very well back then. My drawings looked more like this. I don't know what happened to Gene's legs, or what he is doing to Ace for that matter. These are some of the first Kiss drawings I ever did. I think I was 11 or 12 years old at the time. I realize this is interesting only to me. I think it's pretty interesting.